So today we will talk about why a retailer should be online. Before we get into the exact drivers of retailers being online, let's look at what the Indian online business scenario looks like. There are 13 crore internet users in India today, more than 60 crore mobile phone users. Every minute more than 300 products are being sold online. All this together is summing up to over 31,000 crore yearly e-commerce business in India today. So as a retailer, you usually make choices. Where should my store be? Where should I be selling? And the obvious answer always is that you want your store in a place where there are more consumers rather than where there are less consumers. And this market is already there with crores of users searching for products. We are working with thousands of retailers today, and we experience that all kinds of different products including jewelry, phones, consumer electronics, apparel, fashion products, shoes, everything is being sold online today. Why is that so? Because the Indian consumer today is using the internet as a very important pre-purchase research medium. They will go online, they will try to look. For example, I have to buy a Nokia phone. I go online and find out, okay, what is this Nokia phone offering? What are the features? What is the price? What are the different promotions or offers which are available, which I can avail, and then I will make the purchase. This is the mindset which is there in today's Indian consumer. So obviously, when he is searching on the internet, you want that during that cycle your name should come up, your presence should come up, and that is where the criticality of internet for a retailer comes up, where a retailer needs to be present during that pre-purchase research, which is today happening on the internet. And on top of it, many retailers we talk to, they think that internet, how will we provide a rich experience? How will consumer really understand what the product is? In today's scenario, especially with what we are doing here at Martjack, we are able to provide a very rich experience through your own online store to your consumer. So you can show multiple images of your products, all the details are there. The consumer can compare between two products. The consumer can find out what is the best price which is there, which product is cheaper. He can see similar products. So I am looking at a Nokia phone, just like in the store where you say, sir, you are looking at a Nokia phone, why don't you try a BlackBerry also? Similar phone where you may want to buy a BlackBerry. So those kind of experiences you can provide online. By doing so, what you are doing is you are influencing the consumer. Your name, your brand is getting stuck with the consumer, where during his pre-purchase cycle, when I was looking on the online, I found out, okay, this product is being sold by you. You are giving a good offer also. You are giving me all the details also. So why can't I buy from you? So the consumer is more than comfortable buying online today. That is also a fact. Especially since the last year when Reserve Bank of India enabled this dual authentication method, where online transactions are very secure now. I cannot take your credit card and do a transaction online because it will ask me for a PIN, which means that people are now very comfortable buying online. Plus, there is an opportunity that these people who are buying online, you can drive them from the online store where they are seeing your product and tell them, come visit my store and buy it in the store. So you are going to increase your sale on the internet as well as in your physical store. So these are some of the very high level points which I wanted to cover, where it is more than clear that there is a big market, there is a big opportunity, and it is very important for any retailer today to be present in that market which is online and to have their own online presence. Thank you.